getting to 1 million subscribers. Well, that was a big milestone, getting to 100,000 subscribers. Now, the next milestone is to go for 1 million subscribers. And you know what? You're going to need a little bit of help and some luck as well. But you have to realize that the growth or your growth on YouTube is exponential, or at least that's how it works for most YouTubers. And what this means is that for example, 6 months, you'll be growing at a faster rate than at the rate that you're growing now. So it's unpredictable as to how many subscribers you're going to have in 6 months to a year from now. Of course, it all depends on your work ethic and the amount of effort you put into this and how many videos you're making. But let's state the obvious here. Getting to 1 million subscribers is no small feat. It is difficult to get there. Now, one area that you're going to need some love in is in the suggested and recommended bar of YouTube. When you're on YouTube, you're watching a video, you see on the right side of that page, there's going to be suggested videos for you. And most of those videos are related to the video that you're watching. So basically, getting your video in the suggested bar there is going to help you and it's going to get you or help you get a lot of views and subscribers. Unfortunately, nobody except for YouTube knows YouTube's formula for putting your video in the suggested bar. But obviously, if you make a video that's related to someone's, there's a chance yours will show up there. So just imagine if you have a video that comes up beside PewDiePie's video, you can have views coming in for months. And with those views, subscribers follow. Now, for those of you who don't know who PewDiePie is, he's probably the biggest YouTuber out there, probably with the most subscribers. To increase your chances of showing up in the suggested bar is to make videos based on a trendy or popular topic and then putting your own spin on it and making it unique and having your own unique angle to it. So one of your aims should be for your videos to be shown in the suggested bar. Another key to getting 1 million subscribers, although it is not guaranteed, is to try to create that one video that gets people out of the chairs. If you're going to try to do this, you can't really play it safe. You always have to try to push the boundaries. You might even have to make a controversial video to go viral. And you know what? It's actually the video that you're scared of making that is usually the one that's going to change your life. Because it's those types of videos that are pushing the boundaries. And you have to ask yourself as well, does your content move your audience? So don't be afraid and dare to be different. Lastly, another key that I want to mention here is for you to continue collaborating with other people.